So this is now the end of day 2 of this water experiment, and the goal today was to make it off of 3 gallons of water. Yesterday I did 4, and to this point I think I'm going to make it through the day. It's about 7 o'clock now, and there's still enough, I think, to make it through the rest of what I need to do tonight. Today the hardest thing, just like yesterday, was the walk home 1.85 miles with those water jugs in hand. I realized that, as strong as I may be, there's just no easy way to do that. Those water jugs are going to be heavy, no matter which way you try and balance them or carry them or maneuver them as you walk. So that part continues to be a struggle. And the other part that was kind of hard today was this was one of the first days when it was warm outside here, really warm, and I certainly started craving a hot shower to just wash off and be clean. And as much as I try and get clean with the amount of water that I'm using, it's just not the same, and that's difficult. It kind of cemented in my mind the whole purpose for this project, which was to suffer a little bit, to struggle a little bit, and to kind of empathize with somebody in a country like Cameroon or Liberia or Uganda, and the things that they go through on a daily basis. They don't have the option of going for a shower. In fact, they don't have the option of going for a shower after the week is over. For me, there's light at the end of the tunnel. That's just not the case in a lot of those countries, or at least a lot of those areas. Tomorrow, the goal again is 3 gallons of water. It's going to be a little cold in the morning, so that may be a struggle, but I'm starting to see that it is worth it a little bit. Today in class, we were talking about this, and I had one student who responded after I was kind of telling about my emotions and how it was affecting me so far. And a student said, Mr. Scott, how does somebody in another country deal with that every day without knowing that it's going to end at the end of the week? And we all kind of said that struggle is hard, and that alone, that conversation alone, that ability for us to start to see beyond just our small community to a much bigger world, that alone makes this all worth it. So we'll continue day 3 tomorrow and hope for the best.